the twin sisters.
So we're going to be showing you how to make slime, but first we're showing you our slime.
Best one ever.
Wish you guys could be here to touch this.
This is the second best. Third best. Now we teach you how to make slime.
So
First, you need a
mixing
mixing
utensil, which is called the spatula, to mix up cake.
Second, you need glue.
So we have glue right here. Let me just put my utensil down. I like my stuff neat.
It's so funny because it drips all the time.
I know.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh, the chair is super funny.
Oh, my bad. Okay, that time was on my. Okay, so you're supposed to go like that. Okay, then now wait, hold on, girl. We need to cap this before you drop it.
Now we need
We
coloring.
need a food coloring, which
I'm
is
using purple.
I'm gonna use the same color too.
Oh.
It's so funny in this house. There's like ghosts. Okay, you're done. Pause it.
Hold on, guys.
Ruby, pause.
So guys,
Okay,
we're back.
we're back.
Just
We're
like
just-
fixing
we
a
have to-
problem.
We had to go in the kitchen to get something to drink
Now we
and
Mix
eat some
it.
chips to take some
Yeah, 'cause
break.
we were kind of hungry in my tummy. Oh my gosh.
I dropped it
Wipe
in the
it.
slime.
It wasn't even slime yet.
I know, it's glue.
Comment down below if you, oh my god, if you tried this slime.
Now, you mix.
Well, you probably don't want to see this so bad.
No,
Let's
I
skip
don't.
through. You know what? We decided to show you, but don't hate in the comments. My cousin wants to do that. So.
I want to show, okay? I'm not trying to be rude.
No, we're not being rude.
Miss somebody right here next to me being rude because she wants to make. Oh, I get it. Not myself. It was her idea to make this channel.
Yes, it was.
Subscribe.
And comment down below if you tried this, and if it doesn't work, then probably you did it wrong. So we're gonna show you what color it looks like now.
It's light purple.
Yeah.
And
we did the
now,
same color.
what we do, we add
Shaving cream. It's really wet because it's almost out. So we're gonna start mixing
it doesn't
right
matter.
now.
Here, let me show you guys. Because somebody doesn't like to show.
Well, we're gonna pause this video real quick. So guys,
Now-
we're done mixing. Now we
Now-
add Biotrue. Biotrue.
Contact solution. Ready? We add how many? No. Add only 3
Drops.
2.
3 or 2 drops.
1, 2, 3. And
1.
then when she's done,
Now we mix it.
now we mix.
Probably you guys don't want to see this.
I'm gonna let you guys
guys.
see. See, this is how it goes, and that's how it be. It'll be like watery. So you add like grain or Tide, it'll make it like
Tide is our activator for us.
But if you need borax, you could get it off a line. And how to make borax, you need to like add like water and then add the little borax and mix it up.
Guys, and we have a question for you at the end, so stay tuned at the end and comment down below what Christmas gift did you get.
What? Subscribe.
Yeah. Click the link button down below. Like and subscribe.
Then we add laundry detergent, which I almost did.
Yeah, but she almost didn't wait. Dame mi gasolina.
And then I have to wait for her to barely mix. Like again, like a disaster. It's another disaster. Oh my god.
Never mix.
Now we mix the whole thing up to get it all nice and good.
We don't talk. Now we're gonna take a break on you guys. So guys, we messed it up. So now we have to we were
just mixing it.
yeah.
But I wasn't mixing. I was doing something. I was drinking some juice.
Yeah. Soda. You
Or
meant.
soda.
I was drinking soda.
She was drinking soda, and that's bad. She didn't have no breakfast.
And I'm just joking. I did it. Now we need a napkin to put this on.
Hold on. You need a mix.
My slime is already mixed.
And if you need more beetroot or anything, you can add more like this.
So guys, this is my slime. It's
I need to add.
super good. Comment down below if it worked, but we're waiting for her, so we're not ending the video yet. If you guys want to leave right now, you can.
Why are you doing that? You always do that.
I know.
It came out like a wrecking ball.
So guys, if you can't see, this is my slime right here. I have to play with it a lot because it's super sticky.
Oh my god, it's sticky.
Do you know how you look at your screen and
this is my
it's super
slime.
light? This isn't light at all. This is dark, a little bit dark.
Mine is light.
No, in the camera it's light, but like...
Look, it's not dark. Mine is light. See, this is light. Mine came out light. This is my slime that came out. It came out really like good.
Yeah.
Not like the other one. It came
Better
like,
than this one.
It came out better.
Super soapy.
It came out better than this one. Blue one.
No, my blue one was perfect.
Stop it, judging. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. She's my cousin. Just kidding. We're twin sisters.
Uh-huh.
We're just trying to trick ya.
Guys, I got in my eye.
She got laundry detergent in her eye.
Because she kept smacking
I typically go like this. You smack it so you can get all the stuff off your whatever you're using.
You could use a spoon,
You can use a spoon.
Not a
Not
spatula. A cake rubber.
Like a mixing utensil that you could use.
Comment down below if you guys have Musical.ly so we can follow you.
Comment down, please.
So our slime's really sticky right now.
Mine isn't.
So we're going to pause the video real quick to make
Yeah.
it. So guys, we finished our slime.
First, I need to clear it, take it off.
Super sticky though.
Yeah, it's kind of sticky. We kind of need
But
it.
we can handle it.
I can handle it, literally.
Sticky's like the middle name for me.
Except for the last one. It was really sticky.
Yeah, like
and,
it looked like it wasn't even ready.
It wasn't even ready. Okay, I kept on mixing it. I kept on adding anything.
And we're gonna sing to you guys.
Let It Down by NF.
No, not Let It Down.
Let You Down by NF.
Let Me Love You by. No. Gotta feel I'm going.
Yeah,
We'll choose a song.
We choose the song, but we ain't singing no Shawn Mendes up in here.
Yeah.
Or no Justin Bieber.
Or no. Jacob Sartorius.
Oh my God, no lip balm. The lipstick song. You haven't seen it?
No.
It's so weird.
Here you guys
All he's
go.
singing is about lipstick and about his girl.
You can wear my ugly sweatshirt with a little sunshine in
I
it.
dropped it on the ground, guys.
Didn't it?
Well, I'm just kidding.
Well, it's super sticky.
Bye.
So...
Have a
No,
nice.
no, no.
No. First of all, now we have to say bye because we have to do it. We have to do
And
it.
we're gonna put slimy no faces. 3, 2, 1, bye.
Bye.